Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable search box in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to enable or disable search box in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, right click in taskbar area, click on search, click on. If you want to disable, so click on hidden, now disable. And if you want to enable search box in Windows 10 PC, so right click in taskbar area, click on search, click on show search box. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to enable or disable search box in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for latest update.